Alright y'all, so I'm using my GoPro 11 I just got with my head strap. I'm gonna see how this works out filming like this. Anyways, I'm on a job today, going to be taking down all the orange X marked trees, and there's a little hedgerow right here I got to do, and a few in the driveway, like 4 of them. I'm gonna start by taking all these smaller ones down first, get them out the way, and then start taking out the bigger ones on this side. Then I'm gonna move to that side. So this is clay ground. The tap roots may not be deep, we'll see. And I'm using the small 1-foot bucket. I like to use it for stumping. It helps me dig through the ground easier and faster versus my 3-foot bucket. And I'm using a Hyundai RC60. So tag along as I work. One thing I hate about this little bucket is it doesn't match up with my thumb. So I'm kind of guessing where my thumb is, or my bucket's gonna line up on my thumb. It's kind of aggravating. And that one come up really easy. Hopefully them big trees come up that easy. Cool. I mean, the bucket teeth look like they, from the tines on the thumb, looks like it's probably a foot up above those tines. Nah, not a foot, probably 8 inches or so. All right, got those little ones. I'm gonna get these next. Loosen the ground up. Come up really easy. I got my chainsaw with me. I'm gonna cut this stuff up smaller and make it where it's easier to get up with my skid steer grapple when I bring it out here. Barely have any throttle on this excavator right now. Run it really easy. Now this is actually my dad's excavator. I rent it from him whenever I got a job where I need a excavator. Usually it's clearing or demolition, stump digging. Everything else, I use my skid steer. And it's here in South Carolina. It is really muggy out here today. I like operating with the windows or door open so I can hear my surroundings. If something's going wrong, I can hear it. I don't like running the radio. back and try to smooth the ground out, even if I gotta go dig it back up again. That's just the way I do it. All right, now I'm gonna go over here, get these other small ones. I'll be able to rip these right out of the ground. No problem at all. There's a smaller one around this pine. Actually, no, that's not really small. I'm gonna get these placed. Get these out the way. I think I'm gonna go for that pine right there. Looks like the next smallest one. I'm gonna dig around it and knock it back this direction. Let's get it loosened up. See how easy this one comes up. Direction a little bit. Spin this machine the other way. Put this thing turtle mode. Time on his back side. Alright, let's see how well this thing comes up. I'm gonna try to knock it out in that direction there. I always try to put my thumb down, so in case any tree tries to come backwards towards the machine, I can use the thumb to kind of push it back.